If you thought you've seen every Anakin Skywalker lightsaber out there, think again. Today I've got something truly special. This limited edition Anakin Episode 3 lightsaber from Nsabers with a glowing Kyber crystal inside. Not only is this lightsaber incredible, but wait until you see the collector's box it comes in. This lightsaber is an exclusive collaboration by Nsabers, TXQ, and HUYANG Workshop, designed by the renowned 7 Chambers, and unboxing it is a premium experience. Right off the bat, you can see there's a beautiful collector's box that it comes in, and we have beautiful art depicted on it. Here on the front, we have the etched Anakin Episode 3 lightsaber. On the top side, it says Anakin Skywalker. On the back, you have the depiction of Tatooine, and this art is really cool. On the underside, we have Revenge of the Sith, and on the side, we have the Nsabers logo here. And to open it up, you will just slide this off, and you are greeted by a beautiful plaque here with Anakin Skywalker himself on there. And it says, Anakin Skywalker's second lightsaber is an iconic weapon crafted during the Clone Wars. Let's dive in and open this thing up. So when you pull your plaque off, you will have your manual here inside. And this is a beautiful pamphlet. Normally these are kind of small, and this has the HUYANG logo on there. And if you open it up, you are going to have all of your instructions on how to utilize all the features on your lightsaber. So I really appreciate the art that's on here. The text is very bold, big, easy to read, and really gives you a premium manual feel. And inside the box, we have the beautiful Anakin Episode 3 lightsaber. And just like all the models recently, this is made of solid brass. It's really hefty, but beautifully made and very screen accurate. And I cannot wait to show you what is inside here in a second. And you can see this is etched in here, laser cut foam, which is really nice. And again, just provides such a premium experience when you're opening this up. It reminds me of like buying a collector statue, but in the lightsaber form. Here in the corner, you have your blade plug, and what I really love about this one is it's very small and discreet, so when you have it in, it keeps your saber looking very film accurate. And all of our other goodies are going to be here underneath the saber, so we'll set that off to the side. And inside the box, we have our plaque. Now this is limited to 200 editions for this lightsaber. So if you want to get your hands on one, run over to Nsabers really quick. These will probably go fast, and make sure you use our code FALCON to save on your purchase as well. So on here, we actually have the limited edition 6 out of 200. So that's a really low number. I love it. And on the plaque, you can see Anakin on here. It says Anakin Skywalker Episode 3 Revenge of the Sith and HUYANG Workshop down at the bottom. And you can take your plaque and actually put it on your display stand that it comes with as well. In here we have some other goodies. We have some gloves. Since the saber is fully chrome, you can keep your fingerprints off of it that way. We have some extra of the grips on there, your retention screw, and extra your Allen key to go ahead and get your blade on. And of course, over here, you are going to have your battery charger, and you can just pop it out of the hilt, put it in here, and then plug it in via USB. Now let's open up the saber and take a look at what you're really buying this lightsaber for. The saber isn't just film accurate on the outside. If you unscrew the bottom of the hilt here, you will see the chassis that is inside. And this chassis is made of brass that adds to the premium quality, and it's super durable and beautifully crafted. As you can see here, there is a little bit of the 3D printing, but most of this chassis is just that solid brass. But what really sets the saber apart is the Kyber crystal chamber that's inside. So 7 Chambers integrated a crystal, and it actually lights up. So if we turn on the kill switch here,
then it is the Jedi who will stand in the way of peace.
You can hear that awesome sound font that's in there, and this integrated crystal actually lights up when you power on the saber, which is really cool. You can see it pulses with energy, and it even reacts to clashes during combat. How neat is that? So this isn't just a static decoration. It's actually a fully interactive Kyber crystal that is inside of your hilt. This is a Proffie lightsaber with a 2-button system and has moving accurate placement. So you have your power button here and your auxiliary on the back side. Now, this saber doesn't come with a blade, but if you're a collector, you likely already have a 7/8 blade laying around, but if you don't, you can pick one up on the Nsabers website. Let's go ahead and get our blade in though and take a look at some of the features on this hilt. Now that we've got the blade in, let's go ahead and take a look at this saber in action. To power it on, you can either use your power button or your gesture control, which is twist to turn. We have our smooth swing. Beautiful blaster effect with your auxiliary button. Flash on clash. And this saber just sounds absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at some of the other sound paths that will come pre-installed. I always love the sounds that come pre-installed on here. Let's take a look at a couple more.
Tell me, is this training? My training? No. Always training. The universe is. Angelic plasma. Dark Sith red. You cannot die, McCloud.
Take a listen to this one. This one's really great. If you ever wanted to pretend you're a pod racer when you're running around, this is a go-to. Now this is pod racing. And that is the limited edition Anakin Episode 3 lightsaber from Nsabers. It is truly something special, and if you're as impressed as I am, now's the time to grab it and make sure to use our discount code FALCON at checkout to save on your purchase. And don't wait, this is limited to 200, so once it's gone, it is gone for good. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review, and I will see you guys next time.